question. Does skincare really matter as we get older? And I think it does. I've always been very good about taking care of my skin. I was never really a sun worshiper, although I did do the baby oil and iodine at one time. But as I got older, I stopped exposing my face, at least, by covering it up with, a large brim hat and wearing the sunscreen. Back then, I think it was maybe 20. Now I use 50. And, the sunglasses, and when I was laying out in the sun, I would put like a towel or a washcloth over my face. So I've always been very careful with direct sunlight. However, as I'm here on TikTok and other social media platforms, there's one thing that kind of disturbs me with the skincare trend. Everybody's into good skincare products and everything, and I do think that that's important. But I think what's really important is that we be honest with our viewers. I can't say that just by using a certain brand of skincare has given me the quality of my skin that I have at 67. However, I do believe it has improved it tremendously. In the past, it's been probably about, I would say, a good 5 years, maybe 7, since I last had a skin treatment, going to a dermatologist or a medical spa, and actually had like microneedling or anything like that. Or any kind of, I've never had lasers, but mostly microneedling or high frequency, like the heat. I think it's called RF microneedling and things like that. So it's been quite a while. I have done gentle peels in probably the last couple of years. And when I say gentle, nothing that was too abrasive on my face. And it was a gradual peel. So when I start showing these products and I start talking about the products that I'm using today, I've got to be honest with you. My skin, yes, is in great condition. And I do believe that the skincare that I'm using today has improved it. I actually had I did a picture of, in 1 week, the difference, and I believe I can see a difference. I'm going to try to post it if I can figure it out in here, just so that you can maybe see it also. But in all honesty, it wasn't just skincare, okay? I feel now, because I am using this Korean beauty skincare, that it will maintain what I've worked so hard to gain. And I have seen before and afters of other customers and people that have used this skincare. I have seen a difference. Now, I don't know. Maybe they've had some type of in-spa treatment. That I don't know. But there definitely is a difference. So I just wanted to share that and give you my thought on that. And I would love if you'd leave a comment. What do you think when you go online and you go to social media platforms and you see people talking about, their skincare and everything like that? Do you think, oh, wow, the skincare really did this? Or do you think, I wonder if it's the lighting, or I wonder if it's, did they have other things that they did? The only thing that I've had done, the only thing is I do have fillers in my lips. I have no Botox. I did have Botox probably about 8 years ago. Did it once, didn't like it. I've had nothing around my eyes. And like I said, it's been probably a good 7 years since I've had any in-spa treatment. So with that being said, I love my skincare. I've seen a huge difference, and it is budget friendly compared to a lot of medical grade skincare too. So I just wanted to put that out there. What do you think? How do you view people when they talk about skincare and their skin looks perfect? And I have no filter, none. All I'm doing is sitting in front of my window in my little rocker in my living room, and this is what you get. So leave a comment. Also, I'd love to know where you're watching from, and yeah, so just wanted to share that with you. Hey, you have a blessed day, and I'll see you soon.